Hello everyone, in this video we'll see another painting related to still life with poster colors. So stay updated in this video to know more. So these are my art tools which I'll be using in this. So first I will prepare my colors. I have prepared the colors black and then brown. I'll mix it and then apply as the darkest tone and then the middle tone and then the lightest tone. And for the highlights I will use white. So follow the same steps as shown in the video. After preparing the colors, it's time to apply the colors on the paper. So the first is the dark tone, that is black plus brown. So follow the same steps as shown in the video. And I'm using little of water also, but don't use much water. I'm using poster colors, and poster colors gives you the freedom to blend anytime. So you can see how I'm applying. And be sure not to use much water as it will destroy your painting. And it will also make the colors very much light. So don't use much water, use only normal water, average amount of water. So now I will use the middle tone and it is normal brown, and I will blend with water. You can see how I'm doing. See, so it is a middle tone, and after that I will use the lightest tone, that will be chrome yellow or yellow, poster yellow, plus little bit of brown. In case you recreate this painting, then don't forget to tag me on Instagram. The link of my Instagram ID is given on the description box, so please go and check. Now it's time for the lightest tone. So I'm using poster yellow plus brown. You can see. So follow the same steps as shown in the video. It's the lightest tone, and after that I will use white for the highlights, for the reflections and all. Okay. And then meanwhile keep on blending also with water. I hope you must have enjoyed the video. In case you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and let's meet in another video. Till then, bye.